Rivian goes plum crazy with a new color and something extra. The new Borealis Purple adds an interesting color twist to the R1 lineup, complemented by limited-time lease offers on 2026 miles. Borealis Purple debuts as a $3,000 option for R1S and R1T buyers. Rivian has also announced a special lease bonus for both models. Some R1S and R1T trims qualify for lower monthly payments now. It seems to be that time of year for Rivian again. Fresh off unveiling its limited-run Miami edition, the company has decided it's time for a new splash of color, one that might actually be its best yet. Called Borealis, it's a deep, moody shade of purple inspired by the northern lights, offered on the tri- and quad variants of the brand's EVs. Purple tones aren't as popular as some other colors in the car industry, but when done right, they can look superb. We'll reserve full judgment on Borealis until we see it under natural light, but based on early images, it flatters the R1S slightly more than the R1T, whose pickup shape doesn't highlight the color in quite the same way. Like every Rivian finish beyond the standard LA silver, Borealis comes at a premium, $3,000, to be exact. That puts it in line with other paid options such as Red Canyon, Rivian Blue, and Storm Blue. The company hasn't confirmed whether Borealis will filter down to the more affordable dual standard and dual trims, though it's easy to imagine that decision hinging on how buyers respond to the initial rollout. Rivian's new purple looks especially nice when accented against its available 20 and 22-inch burnished bronze wheels. Paired with a set of bright blue brake calipers, shoppers can get a Rivian that really stands out. The addition of a new color isn't the only thing that prospective Rivian owners can get excited about. The company has announced that several 2026 R1T and R1S models are eligible for a $5,000 lease bonus if customers take delivery by December 31st. Models eligible for the deal include the 2026 R1S and R1T Tri, R1S and R1T Dual Standard, and both the R1S and R1T Dual with the large battery and performance upgrade. Importantly, Rivian notes this deal is only available while supplies last. Even with that bonus, leasing an R1T or R1S remains a costly proposition. For example, the R1T Dual Standard, priced at $72,990, still comes to $709 per month over 36 months, with $8,604 due at signing, an effective monthly rate of $948 before adding the $1,895 destination fee and state taxes. For those willing to sacrifice a little cargo space for a lower payment, the R1S Dual Standard presents a slightly better deal. Its lease terms come in at $699 per month with $3,594 due at signing, translating to an effective monthly rate of $798, plus destination.